Introduced by the Dutton-Lainson company in the 1940s, Goldenrod fence stretcher splicers have become so synonymous with fence repairs that they're often referred to by farmers and ranchers simply as a goldenrod. And there's good reason for that. Across all three available models, Goldenrod fence stretcher splicers are easy to use and the fastest way to install or repair wire fence. They allow you to quickly tighten any high tensile, barbed, or smooth wire fence. They make it easy to reposition wire on a post. And the tool securely holds both ends of the wire in place so your hands are free to make a splice. They can even help you open and close your wood post gate. The name in wire fence tightening, repositioning, and splicing. Proudly made in the United States. That's the Dutton-Lainson difference. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Then let us know what DL product we should cover in our next video.